Hello, this is Josie with KnitChats. Today's demonstration is a simple one-stitch cast-on that's invisible. This is a fun little cast-on. It's easy and it would be great for something like a shawl that calls for a garter tab cast-on. The garter tab cast-on can be a little fussy. So this would be a nice one to replace it with because it's pretty simple. To begin, you would just loop your yarn over your needle, and it doesn't matter which way you do it, front to back or back to front. And you give your yarn a twist so that your working end is on the right side. And for this demonstration, I'm going to put on 7 stitches. So we start by knitting into this loop. Yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit. That's 7 stitches. Okay, pull the needle out, and then you would continue knitting as per your pattern instructions. I'm going to go ahead and knit 1 row. And then what you do is take your tail end and you cinch it up. Let's just cinch that right up, and you've got this invisible one-stitch cast on. This would also work beautifully for the cast on of a circular piece of knitting like a pie shawl or any other circular piece of knitting that would require a nice tight pinhole cast on. You would just transfer these stitches onto your double points or continue with magic loop and work outward. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial of a one-stitch cast-on. Happy knitting!